Welcome to TaskyStore. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing and setting up the TaskyStore app on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open TaskyStore in your mobile browser by visiting TaskyStore.com. Navigate to the menu and select e-sign in. This will take you to the login page. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, create an account by clicking the sign up link at the bottom of the login form. Once you're logged in, go to the menu and navigate to the Earn Money section. Scroll down until you see the download button for the app. Click on it to start downloading. After the download is complete, click Open. Your browser may prompt you to enable app installations from unknown sources. Click on Settings, allow installations from this source, then return and click Install. Once the app is installed, click Open to launch it. On the first launch, the app will request various permissions. Please grant all requested permissions to ensure the app functions correctly. After granting permissions, you'll be directed to the login page. Log in using the same email address and password you used to create your account. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your dashboard. To earn coins by installing and reviewing apps, follow these steps. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. Select PlayStore Settings and sign in with your Google account. Ensure it matches your Google Play Store app account. Now you're ready to work on install review tasks. Let's try one example. Click on New Tasks and open any task tagged with Install Review. Now click Apply to join the tasks. You need to complete every step here. This is a keyword install task, so we need to remember the app icon and app name so that we can find it in the Play Store search result. Here it is. Click and install the app. Once the app is installed, open the app and then get back to the TaskyStore app. Now click Already Done to complete the task. We received 30 coins for this step. Now let's see another type of task. To work on YouTube tasks, click on the settings icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. Select YouTube settings and sign in with your YouTube account. Ensure it matches the account logged into the YouTube app. Let's try one example for a YouTube task. To apply for the task, you need to enter your YouTube channel link. You need to do it only for the first task. Copy the YouTube account link and paste it here. You need to allow some additional permissions for YouTube tasks, and you need to do it only for once. Click the Watch Video button and allow permission. Again, click the Watch Video and it will ask for another permission. Click Allow and it will open the settings page Pay. This setting might be different for different devices. Let's see for Samsung devices here, and for other devices, watch short videos on our channel. Now for the last permission, click the Watch Video button again and allow the permission. Then you are ready to work on the YouTube task. Click the Watch Video button to complete the step. It will open a video in the YouTube app and also show a timer how much you need to watch the video. While this is a watch video step, we do not need to do anything. It will open the TaskyStore app to give the coins and mark the step as completed. But for other steps, you may need to like the video, comment on the video, or subscribe to the channel before time's end. We recommend taking action of likes, comments, or subscribing to the channel before 10 seconds are left. The first step is completed. Also, our installation and setup are complete. Now we can work in these apps to earn money by completing these simple tasks. Thank you for watching the video. Happy earnings.